Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off your vehicle's location on the FordPass application in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your FordPass application on your phone. Afterwards, you just have to make sure that you log in into your account and your vehicle is also visible and connected just like so. Now over here you need to tap on your vehicle and then you just have to simply take a look at all of these options that are available here. So among these options you will notice the option of location which will be available. When you tap on the location option you will see the location sharing. So here you just have to turn the toggle button off in order to stop your car's location from being visible inside the application. Now some of the models may require confirmation on the vehicle's infotainment screen. If prompted, you just have to do nothing but to just accept the change inside the car, then refresh the application and confirm that the location is no longer updated. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.